What if I told you that a 28-year-old woman went from struggling to make ends meet to earning her first $1 million in just 1 year? She simply unlocked the power of her mind. This is the story of Emma and how she used the law of attraction, unwavering belief, and relentless action to transform her life forever. Stay with me, because her story might just change the way you think about success. Emma was just like many of us. She had big dreams, but was stuck in a cycle of financial struggle. Working a regular 9-to-5 job, she found herself barely making enough to cover her expenses. Credit card bills piled up. She watched others living their dream lives and wondered, why not me? But then, she stumbled upon something that would change everything. An idea so simple, yet so powerful. The law of attraction. Could it really be possible to manifest wealth by changing her mindset? She decided to find out. Emma went all in. Every single day, she practiced gratitude. She wrote down her goals as if they had already happened. She visualized herself living her dream life, driving her dream car, traveling the world, owning a beautiful home. More importantly, she took inspired action. She stopped complaining about what she didn't have and started focusing on what she wanted. She surrounded herself with positivity. She removed limiting beliefs and started believing, truly believing, that she was already a millionaire. And then, something incredible happened. One of the biggest shifts Emma made was practicing gratitude daily. Science and spirituality both agree. When you focus on abundance, you receive more of it. So every morning, she wrote down 10 things she was grateful for, feeling the emotions as if she already had them. Opportunities started showing up. Out of nowhere, she landed her first big client. Then another, and another. It was as if the universe was responding to her new energy. She didn't chase money. Money was now chasing her. She leveraged social media, built her brand, and provided massive value. Whether she was selling a product, coaching, or investing, it didn't matter. Her mindset had shifted. The girl who once doubted herself was now unstoppable. One of the hidden secrets of success Emma learned was the principle of giving. The more she helped others, the more abundance flowed into her life. She gave without expecting anything in return, whether it was knowledge, support, or even financial help. And like a boomerang, that generosity came back multiplied. And then it happened. Less than a year after her mindset shift, she checked her bank account and saw the numbers she had dreamed of. $1 million. She had done it, not by luck, not by chance, but by choice, by aligning her thoughts, emotions, and actions with the frequency of success. Emma also learned that true wealth isn't just about effort, it's about trust. She surrendered her fears and let the universe guide her. She didn't panic when things didn't go as planned. She had faith that everything was happening for her highest good. And that faith paid off. One of the biggest lessons Emma learned is that money is not about the numbers. It's about energy and belief. The amount of money you attract isn't determined by luck or effort alone. It's shaped by your mindset. If you believe making an extra $1,000 is hard, it will be. If you believe making $1 million is easy, it will be. The universe doesn't measure in dollars. It responds to your beliefs. Emma once feared large sums of money. She thought wealth was for other people. But the moment she stopped limiting herself, the money produced effortlessly. The lesson? Stop focusing on the amount. Focus on your belief in what's possible. Emma's story isn't just her story. It's proof that success isn't reserved for the lucky few. It's for those who dare to believe, who refuse to give up, and who align their minds with their goals. So ask yourself, what are you attracting into your life? Are your thoughts working for you or against you? Success is a mindset. Wealth is an energy. And the moment you start believing in your own power, you become unstoppable. Are you ready to change your life? If this story inspired you, imagine what's possible for you. Drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest dream? And if you're ready to attract success, hit that like button and subscribe for more inspiring stories. Remember, your dream life is already waiting for you. You just have to claim it.